In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Photoshop Psd files in Canva. If you've got a design built in Photoshop and want to bring it into Canva to keep working on it, this is exactly how to do it, step by step, on a desktop computer. This feature is designed for desktop browsers, so make sure you're not on mobile or a tablet-only app for this workflow. First, open Canva in your desktop browser and sign in so your project can save to your account. From the home page, start the upload. You can either click the upload button you see there, or simply drag and drop your Psd file right onto the home page. If you already have the Canva editor open for another design, you can also drag and drop your Psd into the Uploads tab on the left. Either approach tells Canva you're importing a Photoshop file. Next, select your file from your computer. Look for the .psd extension so you know you're choosing the right one. It's a good idea to keep your original Psd backed up, just in case you want to reference it later. After you upload, Canva will scan the Psd to convert its layers and elements. This is normal and may take a moment depending on the file's size and complexity. During this process, Canva analyzes text, shapes, and images to make them editable. Keep in mind that some advanced Photoshop features like certain effects or smart objects may be interpreted differently, but you'll still be able to adjust the result once it's open. When the scan finishes, you'll see the imported Psd design appear in your projects. Click that design to open it directly in the Canva editor. This loads your canvas with the converted content, ready for updates. Now you can edit. Select text to change wording, fonts, sizes, or spacing. Click and drag elements to move them around, or use alignment guides to keep everything precise. Change colors by selecting an element and choosing new swatches if your brand colors are in Canva. This is a quick way to match your existing style. You can add new content like shapes, icons, images, or additional text to build on your original concept. If something looks grouped, try selecting it to see if you can edit parts individually. If a font was substituted during import, pick a close match from your font list so the design stays consistent. That's all you need to bring a Photoshop Psd into Canva and start editing it like any other Canva project. Take your time to fine-tune spacing, alignment, and color so the imported design looks just the way you want. Thanks for watching.